and in this short video, I will give you an overview of the mapping tools available on Digimap for schools. Let's start with the zoom. You can zoom in and out using the scrolling button on your mouse. Alternatively, you can use this line bar on the top right of the map area to move up or down. If you are using a touchscreen device, you can pinch narrower or wider to zoom in and out. The more you zoom in, the more detail you will see on your map. If you want to navigate to a specific location, you can use the search box in the top left of the screen and press Enter. For example, if I search for Paris, the system will display locations in both the UK and around the world with the name Paris. You can then select the location you want and a marker will appear on the map. This feature allows you to search for places, landmarks, touristic attractions, or even specific buildings, such as your school. Using the map selector, you can choose the type of map you want to view. By sliding the circle left and right, you can transition through time, for example, from the 1890s to a contemporary map. You can also view an aerial version of the map. On the left-hand side of the map, you will find the Tools panel. Let's look at the Key tool. These provide a wealth of information for all ages, helping you identify buildings, roads, paths, and more. The key updates dynamically as you zoom in or out, making it a useful resource for enhancing the students' understanding of maps. The measuring tool helps you to measure distance and areas on your map. For distances, click the starting point, drag to the end point, and double-click to finish. The measurement will appear. For areas, click to define the shape, dragging and clicking at each corner, and double-click to complete the area. You can add elements to your map using the drawing tools. For example, add markers and customize their colors. Draw shapes such as polygons by clicking at each corner and double-clicking to finish. You can add lines on your map, and you can also add text. For example, Art Center. Measure lines or areas using the measurement icon in your drawing tools. Add images, grid lines, or buffers to your map. For example, you can create a point buffer around a building by specifying a radius. For detailed tutorials on drawing tools, visit our website or YouTube channel. Once you are happy with your map and drawings, you can save them by clicking the Save icon on the left. Give your map a title and assign a name. Once saved, you can retrieve the map at any time. For more details, visit our website. Let's look at the overlays. You can add British-specific overlays to your map, such as road names and postcodes, or British National Grid. You can widen your pupils' understanding of the world by adding word overlays, including climate, biomes, population density, volcanoes, and tectonic plates. You can also upload your own data files to the map. For guidance on this feature, refer to our webinars or website. Using Photograph on Digimap for Schools, you can explore images linked to map locations. You can search for specific features such as art or types of buildings. Photograph may display multiple results, which you can open directly on the map. Using the information icon, you can view coordinates for specific locations as you move around the map. To print your map, click the Print icon. Add a title and optional name. Choose options like National Grid Lines or a legend, and generate a PDF to download or print. The Help button provides access to how-to guides, help pages, and contact information. You will also find resources for primary and secondary schools with engaging curriculum-aligned activities. For a more comprehensive tour, sign up for one-hour webinars. You can also visit our social media pages and website for additional information on subscribing to Digimap for Schools. Thank you for watching.